How to use currency converter on Wise. All right, guys. So once you signed up to wise.com and you're in your account, all you need to do is click on the home section here, and then we have the transfer calculator. Now, with this calculator, this is actually the currency converter. So you could convert from one currency to another. So let's say we want to send money in Great British pounds and we want to send them to Europe. All you need to do is just enter the amount you wish to send. So let's say we want to send 1,200 of the Great British pounds. All you need to do is just enter the amount you wish to send, and it would automatically change to reflect that. You could see the included fees and the arrival time. Now, let's say we want to send to the US. This is what it's going to look like: 1,200 of the Great British pounds. This is the amount here, and then all you need to do is just hit send, and you would send it to someone. Now you could flip the currency so it's this amount. Let's say you're sending 1,500 USD. This is the amount they will be receiving in Great British pounds, as well as the fees that are showcased as well. Now this works for other currencies like the Argentine pesos and also the Australian dollar would be shown as well. And many other currencies are available to use. So all you need to do is just simply select one, like the Pakistan rupee. You can see how much it is here. All right.